Only a few years ago, cash was king. But the way we now pay is very different. Digital and card payment methods are fast becoming the new rulers in the world of consumer payments. And sure, banks and financial institutions are evolving by offering modern, frictionless payment experiences with their card offerings and alternative payment methods, like mobile wallets and QR codes. But even today, many of the world's largest financial institutions are still using old payment systems, designed for consumers from the last century, when carrying a checkbook was considered normal. The cost of running these legacy systems is sky high, and finding the talent to maintain them is becoming increasingly difficult. And most financial institutions have to keep services available 24/7 year-round. So modernizing is like changing a jet engine mid-flight. So how do you replace those legacy payment systems without impacting customers or interfering with your always-on banking and payment services? With the right technology partner, a partner like ACI Worldwide, trusted globally by leading banks and financial institutions. With ACI, you can enable your business to scale at the right pace while leveraging assets you already have, and thus significantly reduce your operational costs. You'll also keep up with industry best practice and propel your business beyond this current digital age. ACI issuing and acquiring solutions for issuers, merchant acquirers, and ATM acquiring are best in class and built to scale with your business without the risk normally associated with system updates. They have a reputation for utter reliability, giving you complete peace of mind on your journey to modernize. So, if you want to send your business into a bold, sustainable future, visit aciworldwide.com/payments modernization. ACI Worldwide, powering the world's payments ecosystem.